Hey guys, I'm Brendan Lamb. This is Mark McCourt. We decided to do a little bit of seafood today on the 1975.
Yeah.
What we got going here? We did some lamb chops. What we season them with?
We did a Mexican chocolate with chili powder, some sesame seeds, a little bit of garlic and onion powder. Give them a little spice. They're sitting on a bed of plantain mango mole. We got grilled and smoked swordfish back here, cubed up. Same spice as on the lamb, same thing. Delicious, super soft, very succulent and juicy. We did some grilled shrimp that have the shell on, easy peel shrimp. We did a little bit of garlic, cilantro, a little bit of chili, habanero, give them a little spice. And then right below, it's kind of hard to see, but we have a big-eyed tuna that I just got and did a quick sear on it with the same spice. We were trying to use the same one over and over with the
That's
Mexican chocolate.
That's
absolutely delicious. And then an array of different salsas. We have a ceviche here with red snapper, absolutely delicious, and it's a Peruvian style ceviche, very creamy. We used a grapefruit instead of a lime juice, which gives it the creaminess. It reacts different with the fish, very Peruvian style. Tomatillo salsa, cucumber pico de gallo, habanero mango salsa, pickled red cabbage, and a queso fresco.
Blanket on the beach with a big bonfire. Your salty kisses shoot me straight to the sky. Dangle our toes and wait for the tide. Count the stars in each other's eyes. We can tangle up our fishing lines. I'll grab for yours, you grab for mine. Tip our hats as the boats cruise on by. A little longitude, a little latitude, a little rearranging our attitude till we're out of tequila and down to one line.